Good morning. It's Saturday and I'm at Pierce College because I live at Pierce College nowadays. Love Pierce College, went to school here, and they have an open house which has just started. They asked if I could get some of the car community here, so this is what I drove. My 1954 pickup. I got to get some more work done to it. Patina truck, straight six, all original. Runs and drives. A lot of personality. And I love it. This little work, right? But it drives. And then some of our guys from the car show. Beautiful 64 dark convert. And we'll just walk down. So this is where they're having the open house for Pierce College. This is what they call the mall. When I went to school, that area was different. There used to be a brick wall right there where that sign is. We used to hang out there. That's where the cool kids hang out, and we all thought we were cool. And spent a lot of time at Pierce College. I played football here when I was a kid, ran track with my dad and brother. It's a great campus. Made a huge investment. It's absolutely beautiful. This is Kevin's Duster. Kevin and I played sports together when we were kids. Beautiful day out here. The event just started, so more and more people are showing up. Nice C4S, beautiful car in immaculate condition. Sits just perfect. Beautiful car. Super cool. You gotta love this. Right-hand drive Supra. This is as good as it gets, right? It'd be interesting to see how much power this is pushing out. That car is awesome. Go overland camping vehicle. Throw some surfboards on top. Love it. So we got a little bit of everything, right? A little bit of everything. And the boys from the Classic Chevy Club, they're always supportive of everything in the community. You gotta love those guys. Beautiful, beautiful classics, Tri-5s. And great cars. So the community is coming out. This is about enrollment and talking about cars. These cars are with the automotive program at Pierce College. Looking good. Gosh, this campus is just so beautiful. They did such a fine job. So Alex, what are we doing out here today? What is this all about?
It is a Pierce College open house, and we are here pretty much for the incoming students and pretty much letting them know of all of our benefits here. This booth alone is only for industrial tech. Okay. But we have business and law, athletics, and all kinds of other disciplines on that side.
Awesome.
Our little section here is embodied with welding, electronics, engineering, CNC, and automotive, baby. Best one, right?
Love it.
Not really. They're all good, but yeah, you can see these cars here. You know, there's just you know, people that we know, and obviously thanks to you, Dustin, right? They were able to bring these vehicles. This is the first time ever, by the way, right, that we actually have this type of eye candy for everyone. So sure. The chancellor, the president was here. They're walking around. They were super excited to see all these vehicles.
Oh, that's
here.
Awesome.
Just because they're able to see what the, you know, it's nice to see the engagement with the community. The fact that people like you and all these vehicle owners are able to ultimately bring their cars in. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're just here to inform people on how to enroll, how to register.
You hear that car? Or what is that? You hear it?
Say it again?
You hear that car driving off?
No.
I didn't hear it?
No, I didn't.
I was going to see how good you were, if you knew what kind of car it was by sound.
No.
Since we're all car guys.
You know, I came to the realization that it's okay for me not to know everything.
You would have known.
What I mean?
It was a Subaru. You would have known.
Oh, a Subi. Yeah,
you would have known.
A Boxer, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, you're right.
See, Boxer, he knew. He knew.
Yeah.
Alex knows.
But anyway,
car guy.
but
car
thank
guy.
you. Yeah. But no, yeah, that's what we're here. You know what I mean? And yeah, we're having a good time. We have a good turnout, and there's a lot of support. So thank you.
All right.
Yeah?
You got it. I'll see you tomorrow at Supercar.
Yes, sir. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
So Porsche Woodland Hills brought this beautiful car out. Very rare and expensive car. Gotta love it. It's a car, 911. We'll keep coming down. We have Jay brought a couple cars.
I'm doing good, I'm on some new shit. Been saying yes instead of no. I thought I saw you at the bus stop, I didn't though. I hit the ground running tonight.
So this is interesting. These are very fast cars, but I think that of all the cars that have ever attended one of my events, this is probably the highest horsepower vehicle right here. Griffin's 56 Chevy truck. He got when he was 15. It's a little noisy over here. So this is turbos. This is somewhere between 5,000 and 6,000 horsepower. 5,000 and 6,000 horsepower. Absolute insanity. Fire-breathing dragon. A lot of people in the car will know Griffin. He's all over the place in all sorts of builds and racing and consulting, installs, YouTube, all that stuff. But great day out here, Pierce College. Just want to share what we do. We always bring cars to the community, support those that support us. And it's nice, you get everybody, right? This came in on a trailer. Huracan Evo Spider got driven in. This GT500 Shelby, very, very fast car. And that's the story. So more to come tomorrow. Supercar Sunday, Porsche Day. It's gonna be huge. And another beautiful Saturday doing car stuff in California with the community.